Huxley, let's pull the fire alarm.
Good idea. Russell, Harper.
Russell Gordon Huxley, come to the principal's office right now.
Russell Coit, this is the second time you did this, but this time with Huxley. You are suspended for 2 weeks. Take this note and don't you rip it. And as for you, Huxley,
You are expelled forever. If I see you at this school, you will be arrested for 100 years. Go home right fucking now.
Oh. Russell Coit, how do you pull the fire alarm this time with Huxley? That's it. You're grounded until the Vicar of Dibley takes over all of the adventures. Go to your room now.
Huxley, how dare you pull the fire alarm with Russell Coit? That's it. You're grounded until your business shuts down forever. Go to your room now.